Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to trade gold on Oanda. It's simple, fast, and a great way to start learning about one of the world's most valuable assets. So what is gold trading? Just like trading currencies, you can trade gold online without actually owning physical gold. On Oanda, you trade gold through CFDs, which means you're just speculating whether the gold price will go up or down. So how does it work? Gold is measured in troy ounces and traded against the US dollar USD. If you think gold's price will rise, you can buy, and if you think it'll fall, you can sell. Your profit or loss depends on how the price moves while your trade is open. Gold prices change due to things like supply and demand, the US dollar's strength, stock market uncertainty, and political events. Many investors also trade gold as a safe haven during economic instability. So how to start on Oanda? To get started, go to oanda.com, sign up for an account, and deposit funds. You can also try their demo account first. It lets you practice trading gold with no risk. And that's it, you're ready to start trading gold on Oanda. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick trading guides.